How to use ABC-P Combi Oven controls. In this video, we will cover how to use ABC-P Combi Oven controls. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. The ABC Combi controls are unique. Making a temperature selection will automatically select a default humidity setting to improve cooking performance. It's combi cooking made easy. Now let's review how to use your ABC Combi controls. On-off switch. The on-off switch is used to turn the oven on and off. To power on the oven, set the switch to the 1 position. To turn the oven off, position the switch to the 0 position. Temperature display. The temperature display will show the actual or set temperature. Temperature selector knob. The temperature selector knob is used to set or display the actual cavity temperature. Rotate the knob to raise or lower the set temperature. When the knob is rotated just one indent, the actual temperature in the oven cavity will be displayed and blink for 3 seconds. Timer and probe display. The timer display shows the time remaining when set. When using the food probe function, the display shows the set and actual food probe temperature. Timer and probe selector knob. When in timer mode, the timer selector knob is used to set a timer. Rotate the knob to the right to increase and left to decrease the timer. A buzzer and flashing light indicates when the timer is complete, and the display will also blink 0 remaining time. Press and hold the knob for 3 seconds to change between timer or probe temperature mode. In probe temperature mode, rotate the knob to set the desired internal food temperature. Follow these quick steps to cook with the food probe. Attach the food probe to your unit by connecting the food probe to the probe connection. Insert the probe into the food, then set the desired cook to temperature in probe temperature mode. Place the food into the oven, close the door, and a buzzer and flashing light alarms when the food probe cook to temperature is reached. When the food probe is connected, press the knob to check actual probe temperature. Humidity and fan display. The humidity display shows the set humidity, actual humidity, or fan speed. When checking actual humidity, the display may show a hyphen while the sensor is initializing. Humidity and fan selector knob. The humidity selector knob is used to change set humidity or display the actual humidity. Rotate the knob to raise or lower the humidity. When the knob is rotated one indent, the actual humidity in the oven cavity will be displayed and blink for 3 seconds. If manual humidity adjustment is required, rotate the knob to adjust the setting. Press and hold the knob for 3 seconds to change to fan mode. In fan mode, turn the knob to select F1 for lowest fan speed setting, F2 for medium fan speed, and F3 for highest fan speed. The fan speed selection will start after 5 seconds when the display automatically changes back to humidity mode. Any temperature change will override the fan speed setting, defaulting back to the F3 setting. Probe connection. Attach the food probe to your unit by connecting the food probe to the probe connection. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Combi Oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.